Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Mike Malbro again. Welcome back to Wallet Reset. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do keyword research for content marketing. All right, so you can't see it right now, but I'm on the home page of Google. All right, and so I'm going to show you guys a couple of things I use on a daily basis to do keyword research. All right, so number one is Google. All right, so we're going to use an imaginary niche right now. This could be anything. This could be whatever you're into. But my imaginary niche for right now is real estate investing. Why? Because I was on Quora.com, which is another place that you can use to get ideas for content. And somebody asked a question about how to get rich, and I just said, "Hey, I learned this real estate method a while back. It's not something I've done, but the person who taught it was a millionaire in real estate." So anyway, real estate investing. All right. So let's search that up. I have a tool called Keywords Anywhere on my Chrome browser, and so it gives me keywords, it gives me data for all of the keywords that I look up. All right. So in a moment, you should see that pop up. But what we have done so far, I've typed in real estate investing. And what I like to do is I like to scroll down on the side, and I see right here, I have related keywords, right? And it tells me what the related keywords are because I have Keywords Anywhere. It tells me what the volume is, the cost per click, and the competition. Now, this competition has nothing to do with how many people are trying to rank for that keyword. This is specifically competition for advertising. So as you can see, there are plenty of keywords in here. And I want to tell you right now. So what most people will do is they'll see, oh, real estate investing books, and they'll go after that. And here's the thing, you could use that, but what is most valuable is honestly the ones who have, like, for example, best way to get started in real estate investing. You see, it's only got 140 people searching it per month. But typically speaking, whenever somebody has 5 or more keywords in their search, they're more likely to be engaged and either willing to buy or willing to go through your content because they're actually looking for a solution. Someone looking for real estate investing books will probably buy a book, but they're more in the shopper's mentality, because if they knew what kind of book that they were looking for, they would just type in the book's name. You get what I'm saying? And so essentially what you're trying to do is get as close to the end of the buying cycle as possible with your keyword research. So right now, I would say, okay, well, this is a great keyword idea. And what I would do is I would write that down in a notebook, all right, and save that for later. I would write down what the keyword is, and I would write down this information right here, or you can just click here to get it all onto a CSV. Now, I'm just going to show you guys, if you don't have keywords everywhere, most of the time, if you scroll down here, they're going to have similar keywords or the same keywords outright. So you can literally just scroll down. And one cool thing about this is that if I wanted to get more information, I could just click on this and it would dive deeper into, this, and I would, this one keyword, so real estate investing online. And then it would, down at the bottom, have more keywords related to real estate investing online. So there, you can go down and down and down and dive really deep into finding keywords for your content marketing. All right. So also, before I move on, this is what you want to understand about this. People also ask, if you see this, you have found a gold mine. They've essentially helped you write all of your content or help you create all of your content. And the reason why that is because right now we're in a shift, right? So most people are used to going to Google and typing in words and finding, websites or on YouTube, a video or whatever. And that's all about to change, right? And if you've ever asked your phone a question, like you're trying to figure out an answer, you're trying to find something, then chances are you realize like you just ask a straight up question. You don't say like real estate investing, right? You would say, what do you do as a real estate investor, right? Like this first one is like, that's spoken language. And so what happens then is Google will find your content, right? As long as you've answered that question, it will serve your content right here with a link to your site. Now, this kind of will, if you're writing a blog or if you're writing articles or stuff like that, it'll kind of take away from the amount of, traffic that your site actually gets, because they don't have to click your site in order to get the answer. But the good thing is that people get used to seeing your site, and the more answers you have, the more likely you are to pop up in the people also asked section. And you really just want to dive deep into being a question answering person, right? That's going to really help you out a lot in the future. So I gave you that for free. Money. But anyway, all right. So we have one keyword right now, which is best way to get started in real estate investing. Now that is a buyer for sure, because they're looking for the best way. They don't want to waste time. All right. So now let me click over to Uber Suggest. So Uber Suggest is something that I use at work a lot. All right. So real estate investing. All right. So real estate investing. So I use this a lot simply because it gives you a ton of ideas. Now, when I use this, I typically have already gotten some ideas for writing the content, and I'm just looking for keywords that I can kind of sprinkle in or use as like headers for certain paragraphs or certain parts of what I'm talking about. So let me scroll down. All right. And so what I like to do so that I can make sure that my primary keyword that I want to rank for is in there, I come to the filter result and I type it in right there. All right. And this website is always slow. All right. But even before I type that in, I'm going to tell you right now, becoming a real estate investor, beginner's guide to real estate investing. There's already some that are popping up right here that I would literally just be like, let me grab that. So if you want, you can just go through your keyword list right now as is, but I'm going to go ahead and click this button, see what Uber Suggest gives me. Now, don't make the mistake that I always seem to make. I literally use this pretty much every day, but I forget that I can't just type in ubersuggest.com and go to that site. It is neilpatel.com/ubersuggest. All right. Anyway, so as you can see, after you do this, it gives you all the answers have the term real estate investing in it. So if you are literally looking for something on a specific topic, right, like real estate investing or flowers that are purple, or you get what I'm saying? Like you can find keywords that are being typed in that are very specific, right? So here we go. Best way to start in real estate. Best way. That's the same keyword we had from before. Let's see. All right. So what I would suggest you do, right, is if you're writing an article or if you're creating a outline for a video or podcast or what have you, is I would say, okay, I know that what we're going to talk about is real estate investing, right? And what I'll do is I'll look through here And let's say that this is our topic keyword right here, best way to get started in real estate investing. What we would do is we would come down and just go through and find good topics for basically little subheaders. So how real estate investing works. That might be a good thing for someone who is just starting out. Also, this could be a great title, right? Guide to real estate investing. This could also be something that you throw toward the end to get people interested in your guide if you sold a guide for real estate investing. So you might click this one, right? But yeah, essentially you want to go through here, find especially questions, but anything with 5 or more words inside the phrase, inside the keyword phrase. That'll give you a long tail content that will give you articles that people are going to take action on. All right. So yeah, that's Uber suggests. I'm not going to go through every detail of it. Hopefully you guys understand how that works. Next, I did talk about questions. This website I don't really use as much, but it's vital. It's vital because of the fact that it's all about finding popular questions that are asked online. So the website is called Answer the Public. All right. Answer the Public is essentially searching for questions. Right. So it's a great tool and it's free. All right. So let me go ahead and type in real estate investing. Okay. So as you guys can see, you get a lot of content ideas. If you're writing a book, if you're writing article, if you're making a video, this is a great way to come up with content ideas and keywords for your content. So it's still loading up. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. Here we go. So after typing in real estate, what this does is it gives you various types of questions. As you can see, it says, what's real estate investing? How real estate investing works? Where to start real estate investing? Can real estate investing make you rich? How safe is real estate investing? Right. So there's a lot of stuff that you can use, get ideas and get keywords for your content. All right. And here's a cool thing: you can actually click these, right, and it'll give you more keywords. So this is something a lot of people wouldn't think of, is things that people type in or search that say without. So real estate investing without life, without cash, without debt, with no money and bad credit, without being a landlord. So what I would do if I were you is come up with a few of these, or what you could do is just download this on a CSV, which is basically an Excel file. And that way you can pop this into, if you have a keyword tool that you use that's paid. I don't use a paid keyword tool, but if you have one, you can just take this, download it to your keyword tool, and it will show you everything in terms of statistics for it. If you have keywords everywhere, then it will still show you. All you have to do is hover above it like I'm doing right here, and it'll tell you the search volume, the cost per click, and the competition. So that is how you do keyword research for content marketing, right? So it's very simple, but here's the main thing that you have to understand is once you have these keywords, you've got to do your research on the content, on your competition, on basically what your audience wants, which is called creating a customer persona, right? That's going to help you really dial in your content marketing. Because if you only just find keywords, yeah, you might rank. The worst thing that could happen is that you'll rank number one and you'll have content that doesn't speak to the audience with a message that they really want and that they really need, and then they don't buy, right? And so you'll have a ton of traffic. Nobody will buy, or very few people will buy compared to the amount of traffic that you're sending to your page, and you're going to be stuck wondering why. So make sure that you understand deeply the pain points of each one of these markets, understand the type of content that these people are used to seeing, right? So that you can offer them a new version or new type of spin or idea or concept for what you're going to talk to them about, whether you're writing it or on video. So that is it for now. I want to make sure guys know that I have a free course for you guys if you are trying to start a business, if you're brand new to trying to make money online. If you already have a business, then it really will help you out very much. But I believe in teaching entrepreneurs or entrepreneurial people to make money with their passion. So I have a free course called Starters Formula. You can get it at the link in the description. Also, I want to ask you to go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down if you thought that this was helpful or if you felt like it needed to be improved. Ask me a question if you have one. Okay, this is what you got the next video. Peace, guys.